All right, so let's do some action. Let's get down to it. Today we're going to play through the Essential Elements book. Now I'm going to point you to our website. The website is called TheSunnySideMusic.com, and you just got to head over there, and there are a couple of beginner videos on how to put your clarinet together and how to make a sound. Today we're going to start playing through everything. We're going to play through the book, and on the channel we're going to play through there are a number of books here. You'll see. I'll show it to you and you'll see. In addition to that, there are tons of warm-up exercises. For a lot of people, the warm-up is the lesson, so just keep that in mind. Anyways, I am back teaching right now. I am a conservatory teacher, so if you need help with your conservatory exams, just let me know. And we're shooting this video live right now, so if I say hello to some of the Sunnysiders, that's what's going on. And you should be able to see them in the chat as it comes up down below. So today, this is smart music. I started using smart music a number of years ago to teach some of the stuff because a lot of the private schools use smart music, and we have all the books here. So right now, Essential Elements tends to be the most popular book, but I also like Accent on Achievement, and I use the Rubanks method, and I'm a big fan of Sound Innovations and Standard of Excellence. They're all popular books, depending on what your band teacher wants you to use. What's not here are the conservatory books. So after I play through all of this, in about a month or so, I'll start loading up the conservatory books for you guys so you can hear what it sounds like. And that's it for the okay. All right, here we go. Essential Elements 2000. Let's start off with the first note. All right, let's do it. So on the clarinet, it should be nice and easy. G is open. So if you just blow into your clarinet like this, that's G. So G is open on the clarinet. So let's do it. let's get to the work here. Wait, so just to let you guys know, we breathe on 4, or we breathe on 3 and 4. It's 1, 2, right? 1, 2. Okay, let's do it together. G is open.
Again and play.
Nice, cool. Everybody got that? So that's the action. Make sure it's a nice, long, full note. At the beginning, you're going to go wah, 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 wah. And at the beginning, you're going to squeak, and you're going to go ah, and you're going to bite your lip, and you're going to spit on the floor, and you're going to get jazz juice everywhere, and you might sneeze, or you might anything could happen. But you're going to get used to it. Just try your best to hold a note for the entire bar. All right, let's try it again. Remember, G is open. There's a fingering chart, obviously, on TheSunnySideMusic.com. TheSunnySideMusic.com. There's obviously a clarinet fingering chart there for you. Let's try it again. G.
Again and play.
Everybody cool? Shall we do it once more? Let's try it again.
Again and play.
Very cool. Everybody cool with that? Everybody got G? Let's try once more. It doesn't hurt to do it a couple of times. Once more.
Again and play.
Everybody cool? You ready for the next note? No problem. G, open. It's this line right here is G. It's the second line. All right, next. Let's do it. So we're going to play G, 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 G. Then these guys mean don't play. Rest, 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 rest. And then G, 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 G. Okay, so it's going to sound like this. Rest, rest, rest. Now the deal is, to stop the note, you put your tongue on the wood, on the reed, to stop the note. So it's so we start with the tongue on the note, on the reed, and then poop. So it's poop, 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 poop. Alright, you guys cool with that? I'll do it again. It's 1, 2, poop, 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 poop. Got it? Okay, let's try it. Let's get some action in here. Remember, poop, poop, poop. Rest, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's do it again. Let's slow it down even more. I know it's difficult at the beginning. And on the video, if you guys want, you can slow the video down. It's probably a good idea. Tonguing is tricky at the beginning. Here we go. And later on in the exams, for all of your exams down the road, you'll have it's called articulating, or this tongue thing. It's called articulating. There are a number of different ways to tongue or articulate a note, or to make the note sound or speak, and you're tested on all of them. So let's just take it nice and easy at the beginning and try it again. A little slower. Remember, poop, poop. Okay. Rest, 2, 3. Rest, 2, 3, 4. You guys getting the hang of it? All right, let's try it again. Instruments up. Rest, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. Good. All right, once more. Here we go. Instruments up. Right back at it. One, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. Good. All right, let's try the next one. Pretty good. Everybody cool? Nice and easy? Music's easy, man. There's no music you can't play.